Hi guys, welcome back to my vlog. It's me Nichelle and hope you all doing good. It's been a long time since I'm doing a face-to-face sit down video. I think so more than 3 weeks though. So anyway, today's gonna be quite interesting because my dream came true and I got my girly PS5. With that, you might already read the title that it's gonna be my first ever camera and it's gifted. It's a birthday gift actually, and I'm really happy about that. I not expected, but I was thinking for this a very long time, or almost like 1.1 year 5 months, and I'm so excited to unbox it. It was here quite a while. I was just not in the mood to unbox, but I already saw what's inside around about like 3-4 times, so it's time to unbox and set up everything. And for the camera, it's my first ever camera since 28 years. Other than my phones, this is my first ever camera. We haven't had a G7X or a regular camera to use as a family, whatever, but this is my first ever dream come true, and it's my girly PS5. So with that, we have got the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 creator combo, and this is how it looks like. Very nice and interesting. This is the latest one actually. They also have a DJI Pocket 3, but I haven't gone for that. I went in for the latest upgraded one, which is the 4 with a creator combo instead, or else it would have not been a use if I haven't got the creator combo, because this is everything inside. It comes with a mic and a lot of different things like a portable carrying pouch, a gimbal, Osmo Pocket 4 camera, fill light. It's everything you need, so I'm really excited to unbox this one. It's like a dream come true. And without wasting time, let's open up my camera. So I've already opened it. It comes with additional transparent paper, which I took it off the moment it arrived. And let's open it. It's a gift though. I was not expecting this to be gifted, so I haven't got this with the full money, but I'm paying it slowly. But anyways, once you open it, it's very nice. The packaging is really very nice. I have already seen, so I have not packed it the way they had packed it for me. It also comes with a additional pouch which looks somewhat like this. It has like an Osmo name on it, so it comes with this pouch. Then here's the camera pouch with everything inside. This is how it looks like. So let's open this up. So once you open it, this is the creator combo pouch. So it has like this Osmo written here, and the pouch is really nice and cute. I thought like it would be very big. Whenever I should see on camera or watch videos of this, so it looks very nice and small, good to for travel or so. You can just fit in your tote bag. It would sit perfectly. So let's open this up, and once you open it, it comes with a lot of things right here. So the first thing I have, okay, let me show you one by one. And moving on with the first one, let's open this up. I'm showing you everything that comes with a creator combo. So moving on with the first one, I have this thing called, I think so it's a 1/4 thread. I don't know what it's used for, but I'm gonna show you what exactly it is. So it is called the DJI Pocket 4 handle with 1/4 thread. It's a standard aero magnetic grip adapter featuring a bottom tripod mount for improves handheld comfort and repositions points. So you just tuck it to the tripod, and good for selfie stick or other vlogging accessories without adding extra battery weight. So this is the additional thing that is used for the camera. You just put it inside. And if you want to remove it, you just press the button behind. It will just release, once you press it here, see what it happens. So look at the side thing, it just comes off easily. So this is the first thing that I have. I think so they have given almost 10 different things, or I think so 5 to 6. It comes with an additional DJI mic and things like that. So let's put it back in. And then we also have this mini, what do I say, I think so this is the wide angle lens It's very tiny though. My nails also don't work. I mean, very hard to even remove it. But anyway, I'm just gonna open this up. So this is the wide angle lens. You just like put it on the camera, it gives you a wide angle. I'm not sure exactly, but this is used for that also. So it has every detail, I mean, what it's used for at the back right here. So they give you what it is, what exactly it is, and I mean, it's very helpful though. I think I should make and know lots about this, but anyway, I'm excited to have this in mind. I mean, very happy with this purchase. So it's a wide angle lens. I don't want to lose it because it's a tiny little thing. You see how small it is? You just like put it on the camera and it will work in wonders. So this is the main thing that I have. I think so to buy this one will cost me very expensive. Let me show you. I think so this will like cost really expensive though. Let me show you wide angle lens. So the price for this one is £39 just to buy it if you lose this. But anyway, it is, yeah, so that's the thing it is used for. It gives you a wide view of 108, you know, features, fit landscapes, architecture and group shots into the frame. And if you remove it, it's the normal camera like how it is, like this one. So yeah, very happy with this. I'm going to put it back in because I might lose things easily and not even realize, but I'm not the person who would like lose things. But anyway, let's put it back in. It comes with a lot of things though. That's why creator combo is much more better than the usual one. And for the next one, it also comes with a magnetic chip right here. It has two different ones. I have to learn a lot of things about this. It has like a feature wide lens again, and also for like a quick stop lens, filters, magnetic mount expansion, brackets and magnetic fill light. So this is, I mean, the thing that is used for, which comes with a magnetic chip. And then moving on with the next one, it also comes with, oh my gosh, it also comes with a DJI mic, which is tiny. I think so it is DJI mic.
Oh my god!
It's a transmitter. Wow! It's a transmitter, guys. This is a transmitter. So I think so it's the same thing. Yeah, I think so it's a mic. Wait, am I saying it wrong? No, it's a transmitter. So this is a transmitter. I thought it was a mic though. Wait, let me see what it is.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
And so let me tell you, this transmitter is called, it connects directly to wireless audio transmitters like DJI Mic 3 or DJI Mini Mic, and using built Osmo audio protocol, no standard receiver is required to direct pairing. So it is easier to pair to the camera and it just like, you know, does its own work. I mean, I have to like learn a lot of things about it. So it's a mini thing right here. And it also comes with this wind screen. I mean, two of these bonnet NT wind. So these are the two things that is given to us. I don't know what exactly and how it is used for. I have to like learn a lot of things because it is like a lot of gadgets actually. And then we also have this thing. I think this is the mini tripod, which is very easy to use, and I think so this is a very nice thing. So this is a mini tripod. You can like just do it a wide angle and fix your camera right here. Very nice though. I like this kind of things. So it has like a mini tripod sort of. I can think this camera will fit easily into your purse, and just like a mini pouch would look perfect. So anyways, then we also have this wristband, and I'm not gonna open it, but it's okay, let me open. So everything is, you know, and this is the wristband which comes in with that. So, and then we also have this USB cable. So I think so it's the USB cable, which is this one. And then we also have another one which is additional. Wait, let me check. I think so this is the magnetic charging cable. Oh, this is a magnetic charging cable. Yeah, this is a magnetic charging cable and this is a USB cable. So, and then we also have an interesting thing, which is a fill light. So just like put it on the camera, and it's called the fill light. Yeah, that's the thing which is given. And lastly, we have the camera, which is here. Let me unbox it. Let me open it now. So this is how the camera looks like. So this is how it is, and this is, I think so we have to remove this thing. It's this called gimble, so that it doesn't move again and again. And this is how the camera looks like. So it's the DJI Creator Combo Pocket 4, and very excited to use it. And now let's start up the camera. So this is how it works like. You just like turn it on this side and it instantly just features. So let's open this up and set up everything. So I'm just gonna use this one. Ooh, this is how it looks like. Very nice and pretty though. I just removed the thing which is on top of it. So let's move it to English. Language is English, and then let's see what comes in. And this is how it looks like. It says the Pocket 4, DJI Pocket 4 camera, and let's just start. And then we just swipe. Okay, zoom button, custom button. This is the custom button. This is the rotating screen. And the storage. Okay, so this thing is the storage, guys. The one that I showed you in the start is the storage, and it's just like it's a USB micro card recommended. Then now let's done. Exit. Oh my goodness, I'm excited to like use it. Wait, I think so I have to put it to, oh, it's just like this. My phone. Beauty is on. What is this? It has like a different type of featuring on here, and you just have to like figure it out which and how do I fix it to make it more, you know, brighter looking, rather than I use it now. I'm filming this on my 17 Pro Max, so I wanted more better quality than this one. So now let's say it's done. And this thing, we need to insert it right here, so somewhat like this. We need to like insert it, and this is how the camera is all done. It's all ready to film, but I just had to like do a lot of setup. And now the camera is all set, so I just like put my tripod in here, and just like it's gonna sit very easily on my table. And the camera is all set. I just put my tripod, I just like put it here. Now it's very nice and tall. It just fits easily in your bag as well, because it's actually the size of my phone from this side. And now I'm just gonna keep it on my table and see how it looks like. So once you keep it here, this is how it looks. I also have like buy a nice cover for it because it don't get really dusty, and I hate doing that. So anyways, I have like learned a lot of things about it, and I'm really happy to have this with me. It's my first ever camera. I'm not a person who would like just learn it very quickly, but anyway, I'm gonna use it, and this is how it is. Look at the camera. It looks so nice and pretty. The camera, like the brightness, have like set up everything, only then it's easy to work, and it just create wonders. So yeah, all thanks to my new baby camera and my new girly PS5. So yeah, and guys, you know what, it's very easy to use. I just tried filming on this one, and I instantly deleted one video because I did not like it, and I just did not want to waste my storage. And you know what's more interesting about it? It comes with 107 inbuilt storage in this camera, and it's perfect for creators to like film every day or like do trends, like anything sort of. So it's perfect for them, and I just wanted to try how it works. So it's easy, very easy to use, and I just love everything about it. Like, I can't even tell you, but this is how it looks like. It's very easy to use. You'll have to try to like figure it out very nicely and try to make it use the perfect way, like to put it on the clear brightness, or try to keep it the way it is. Have to like figure it out the perfect settings for this one. You can like keep it to 4K and 60, and it just like easily gives a nice cinematic look. And it also has like the perfect features for highest image quality on a DJI Pocket 4. And you just like have to like use it the way it is. You just have to like learn slow by slow. I hope it gives me the best videos with a lot of views, and that's what is most thing to ask for. And this is my first baby camera ever. I'm so happy of this one, and I just have to like figure it out and use the perfect settings. So anyway, I'm just happy with this one. I mean, the cost for this one is £549, and it also comes with an additional pouch like here. So it has two pouches. I mean, one is the full creator combo pouch which fits everything, and this is for like daily use, like just fit your camera. And this is how it looks inside. Also, you can put my makeup and stuff also. It's good for like use. But anyway, it's a nice thing though. They have two pouches which has inner things right here. You can like just put your additional like mic or sort of things like that. Very easy to use, and I'm really happy with whatever they give. And I've already put on the fill light to my camera, and this is how it looks like. It just has the perfect light. You just don't need a ring light. It just makes it easy to use, and this is my full ever setup. I just have a lot more to do, but anyway, I'm gonna end the vlog here. Hope you guys like it, and do give a like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you in my next one though. Till then, take care. Bye guys.